How to fix downloads folders not responding on Windows 11 or 10. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix downloads folder not responding on Windows 11 or 10. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. You need to check for any app related issues. For that, you need to click on Windows and you have to search for settings. Click open button to access settings page. Now you need to navigate to Update and Security. If you don't find that option on this left panel, simply you need to search for Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot Settings. Then you will land on this Troubleshoot section where you need to choose Other Troubleshooters or simply Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll down and you need to search for Windows Store apps. If this way also you don't find Windows Store apps, simply you can click on the Find a Settings bar at top left corner and search for Windows Store's apps. And click on Find and Fix Problems with Windows Store apps. And now click on Next button, which will troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems. You have to wait until the Windows Store apps is ready to detect problem. So it is initializing the diagnostic, and once you found any kinds of problem, you can simply follow the on-screen instruction to detect and fix any issues. So once finished, close the settings windows and that's it. Your download folder should be responding again. If not, you need to once restart your device. Sometimes restarting your device can fix different issues relating to your Windows. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.